Hey guys, let's see how to fix the problem with the Tapo solar camera not recording. Here I have the Tapo C402, but it's the same for Tapo C410 and other solar cameras from Tapo, okay? So I have the live image here on my cell phone, and you see when I come here to the playback and download, I can see the recordings into the SD card. You see here the symbol for SD card, it's blue, and the symbol for the cloud. So I don't have recordings into the cloud. You can add cloud recording, you can have a free trial for 30 days, and after this you can keep paying monthly to record into the cloud, or you can just use an SD card so you don't need to pay for recording. You see here that I have recordings by motion. So there's the icon here that represents the recording. You see by the symbol that's recorded by motion. And I have here the timeline, right? That means it's recording. And here you can download your recordings and save after you found them here, right? So here you can just come to the settings to check why your camera is not recording, and come here to storage and recording. And here, local storage, just make sure that's enabled for local recording, and check your card. You see that I have my card, here it's good. So basically I need to format my card to make sure that's good. Here there's the format button. Just make sure that you format your card, enable loopy recording as well. So it's going to delete old recording and record the new ones. So your card will always have the latest recordings. Super simple. And then after inserting the card, you have the information here that you need to check the features. Here basically, you just need to come here to the recording schedule. Make sure that you have everything enabled here to record by motion. There we go. And then also come here to the detection. That's important. You need to set the zone for the area. So here it's all. So the motion is detected here, the entire area, and I can enable motion detection and person detection. Also I can come here and adjust the sensitivity. Let's say for example, it's all the way down, so it's not gonna work. Or somebody just move in front of the camera, the movement is not enough to trigger the recording, so you just need to increase this, let's say 6 for example, or even higher. Then we're good to go. You can do this for person detection or motion detection. Either way it works, right? So basically that you have to do, and also just get a good SD card. So you just need to open here, there's a flap to insert the SD card. Just insert it there, and you close it, and then you format the SD card, and you're good to go. Use a good one. I'll leave the link here in the description so you can have the best card for your Tapo solar camera. So basically that's what you have to check to fix the problem with your Tapo solar camera not recording. I hope that helps. Leave your thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.